In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on temporary chat on ChatGPT. To get started, open ChatGPT in your web browser and make sure you're on the main ChatGPT page. Once the site has loaded, go ahead and enter the ChatGPT interface if you aren't already inside it. This is where you normally start a new conversation, view your previous chats, and access the main tools available in your account. After you're inside ChatGPT, take a moment to look around the screen so you can easily find the control we need. The option for temporary chat is located toward the top right corner of the interface, so that's the area you'll want to focus on. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. Layouts can vary a little depending on updates, browser size, or device, but the top right area is the key place to check. Next, click on the chat icon in that top right section. This is the control that enables temporary chat. Once you click it, temporary chat should turn on right away. You'll know it's active when the interface indicates that temporary chat is already on. This confirmation is important because it lets you know you're now working in a separate kind of conversation mode. When temporary chat is enabled, the chat works differently from your normal conversations. Specifically, this chat won't appear in your chat history, which means it won't stay listed alongside your regular saved chats. That can be helpful if you want to ask something without keeping a visible record in your sidebar. You'll also see that chats in this mode won't be used to train the models. That makes temporary chat useful when you want a little more separation from your standard conversation history. It's a simple feature, but it can be very helpful when you want a cleaner, more private session for a one-off question or short task. One quick tip before you continue: always double check that temporary chat is actually on before you begin typing your message. It only takes a second to confirm, and it helps make sure you're using the correct chat mode for what you need. And that's it. You've successfully turned on temporary chat in ChatGPT. Once it's active, you can begin chatting as usual, just with the added benefit that the conversation won't appear in your history and won't be used to train the models.